Hi guys, welcome back. I am sharing some fun holiday hairstyles today that are super simple. You can try them right away at home, and I hope you enjoy this video.
This post isn't sponsored, but I do want to share a brand I've been using lately called Philip Kingsley. I've been using their products for months now and loving them. They have the prettiest gift boxes, so if you're looking for a gift for a hair care lover, check them out. To start these styles, I curled my hair in loose curls like I normally do. For this first look, I take a rubber band and pull my hair into a low ponytail at the base of my neck. Make sure the top is nice and smooth. In the middle of the back of your head, start pulling a few pieces loose for a little bit more volume. Then take your twine or string and cut a long piece of it out. Grab a bobby pin and slide the string through the bobby pin once, and then wrap it around a couple more times, putting the string in between the bobby pin each time, so it's nice and secure. Push the bobby pin up on the underneath side of your ponytail and start wrapping it around the rubber band. Once you get to the end of the string, use another bobby pin to secure the string at the bottom of the ponytail, or you can push the bobby pin up the middle of your ponytail so it's hidden. For this next look, start at the middle of your head and circle around the crown of your head, picking up hair as you go. Meet in the back and secure that hair with a rubber band. Next, grab your ribbon and tie it in a bow right around that rubber band. This is a super simple look, but it looks so sweet and classic. Make sure you have a few bobby pins on hand for this next style. We'll be creating a side twist. Start with the front pieces of your hair and twist away from your face, picking up small sections as you go. Stop when you get to the back of your head, and then pin down. I grabbed a decorative clip and hid the bobby pins, but you can always use decorative bobby pins or just make them a little bit neater in the back to not hide them. And then I went and pulled a few of the pieces out of the twist to make it a little bit bigger. I was a ballerina for over 16 years, so I think I've perfected the ballerina bun by now. This was one of my favorites to wear. Start with a low ponytail at the base of your neck. Make sure the top is super smooth and clean. Since this style isn't actually for a ballet class, you can pull some pieces out and add some volume at the back of your head and around the crown. Then split your ponytail into two and start twisting the one piece around the top of your ponytail and pin as you go. Continue pinning and twisting around until you get to the other side of your head. And then you're going to pick up the second piece and start twisting and pinning around that first section. Once the second section gets over to where the first section is, switch back over to the first section and continue to twist and pin around the other one. So you're kind of making a cinnamon bun style. Continue to twist and pin all the way around until both sections are fully pinned down. Then you can go back for any layers that may have started to poke out. I know I have layers that are always escaping my bobby pin, so I always have to add some extras at the end. I'm not a big hairspray user, but this is a style that needs to be sleek and smooth, so I added some all around my head into the bun to smooth down some flyaways. One of my favorite things about buns is that you can add almost any accessory to them. I grabbed these actually when I was a bridesmaid at my friend's wedding, but I think they look like snowflakes, so they're perfect for this style for holidays. You can also add a scrunchie or ribbon or really anything to this look. Another super simple look here. Just start by pulling your hair back into a low ponytail and then pull some pieces out for volume again. When I saw these mini ornaments, I thought they would be so fun for a hairstyle, so I'm really excited to get to show you this one. Just take the bobby pin and slide it through where your ornament hook would go. Then you can take the bobby pin again with the ornament on it and slide it straight down into the middle of your ponytail. I added 3 of them to this ponytail look and it ended up being the perfect amount.
Thanks guys, I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you back here soon.